Cue the music. This is so good. These roads are unreal. Look at this. This is madness. We're only 3 minutes away. Hello, sir. What a ride this has been, guys. Yeah, a little bit of rain.
Yeah.
A little bit. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, very good. Nice to meet you.
Do you have a reservation?
Yeah, I'm staying here.
Stay here.
Yeah, but not booked yet.
Oh, not boy.
Yeah.
You just call them.
Yeah.
You just walk in actually.
Ah, yeah.
Ah.
I called them from Basut. I was in Basut.
Basut.
I call them and say, "Oh, you have any room?" And they say, "Yes, we have room."
Just for a night.
Yeah, one night. Yeah.
Okay. You first time here? Never.
Yeah, first time.
Here before.
Yeah.
Our lobby reception is that way.
Yep.
That one, the glass door.
Oh, that's lobby.
You can park right there.
Yep.
We have a car park here.
Yep.
To the right.
Yep.
And then
In the shade.
The reception right there.
Yeah, sweet. Okay. Thank you, sir. What a ride. What a ride. Oh my goodness. What other travel creator does this? Come on. All right. All checked in. Archery. The plan of attack. I was asking what there is to do. There's nothing to do here. You can do some like walking into the forest and looking at the plants. Wow. Not really my thing. You can find elephants, of course. And I asked, where does the elephant like looking go? When you get in the car to go look for elephants, I was thinking maybe there's like a special track they go up, but they literally just drive up and down the road. So we will do that ourselves. We will go out later in the afternoon when it's more likely that the elephants will come out, and we will try and find elephants crossing the road. That's what we're gonna do. That's the mission. We'll go check into the room, and then we'll go look at this pool, have a swim, see what it's like. One golf buggy to the next.
Downstairs is a pool.
Ah, pool's down there. Ah, I see. That's nice. What's the lake called? Name?
The name is actually we call Tamungo Lake.
Tamungo.
Tamungo Lake.
Tamungo. Tamungo Lake.
Tamungo Lake.
There we go. These rooms here are like 7.
Room 110, right?
110, yeah, I think so.
Actually,
up here.
You can walk down here.
Oh, perfect.
This is the short way.
Okay. Wow, there's a lot of rooms here.
And then if you walk, go downstairs.
Yep.
The
Jetty. Yep. Yeah, these rooms here are like 600-700 ringgit one night. All right, mate. All right. This was 150. What's that in? Not sure what that is in USD. 150 AUD. Nice little room. The ones that face the lake would be amazing, but they are probably, I think they're another 300 ringgit a night. Got some heavy rain now. Mate, that was perfect timing. As soon as they get inside to the restaurant, to the hotel, heavy rain. Let's go check out the pool. And I need some lunch. I need food. I'm getting hangry. Go, son. Yeah. That's so. Which way? Go this way. This place is a maze. Wow. She's heavy. I left my jacket and my helmet on the motorbike. Damn it. No. Mamma mia. That sucks. Let's go put this in the lobby. How's the view? What a beautiful spot. That's nice. I ordered so much food. I'm gonna have a feast. I'm like so zapped right now. Hard to explain how much riding takes it out of you, especially when you're in all the gear. You're sweating like crazy and you're doing some high speed, so you're focusing. How nice is that? That's a beautiful view. It's still crazy, but I like it. I like the serenity of it. Alright, we got chicken and chili, rice, egg, mock noodles. Good chicken. And like a coffee kampung. In Malaysia they don't call it coffee, they call it kopi. K-O-P-I. Copy. Round 2, brother. Round 2. I can eat a lot of food, let me tell you that. That's hectic. Cheers. I like it with the heavy rain, it's really nice. The deep fried prawns, do you eat the whole thing? Like when they're fried fully like that? Or do you still peel off the shell? Holy shit. It's hectic. It's crazy. That fell down. That's gone. You can't even, you can barely see him now. Round 3. What a view. Absolutely beautiful. I could have sworn I saw something very big over there, like come down in between the trees. Not sure if elephants would come down to drink.